What's the difference between a sentencing factor and an element of a crime? And when does a jury need to be involved? The United States Supreme Court pondered this question in the landmark case Apprendi v. New Jersey. Late one night, Charles Apprendi fired several shots into the home of an African-American family that had just moved into a previously all-white neighborhood. When the police arrested him, he admitted that he was the shooter and stated that he didn't want the occupants of the house in the neighborhood because they were black. He later retracted this statement. New Jersey's hate crime statute allowed a trial judge to impose an extended term of imprisonment if the judge found, by a preponderance of the evidence, that the defendant had committed a crime with the intent of intimidating a person because of race. Apprendi entered a plea agreement in which he pleaded guilty to 2 counts of possession of a firearm for an unlawful purpose. The prosecutor moved to enhance the sentence under the hate crime law. The trial judge conducted an evidentiary hearing on Apprendi's purpose for the shooting. Apprendi argued that he'd been drunk and he wasn't racially biased. The judge, however, concluded that, based on a preponderance of the evidence, Apprendi's crime was motivated by race with a purpose to intimidate. The judge gave Apprendi an enhanced sentence. Apprendi appealed, arguing that under the Due Process Clause, the issue of whether his crime was racially motivated should have gone to a jury and been proven beyond a reasonable doubt. The Court of Appeals upheld the conviction, holding that the hate crime law made enhancement a sentencing factor rather than an element of the underlying offense, and thus wasn't unconstitutional. The New Jersey Supreme Court affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted certiorari.